My baby!
Touch me! Stay there! What are you doing here, Ifeoma?
What do you mean by what am I doing here? What kind of question is that? I came to see you!
You came to see me?
Yes!
You came to see me, Ifeoma. I thought you were enlightened. I thought you were wise. You came to see me at this ugly hour. For what? Didn't you hear stay at home? Didn't you hear about the pandemic? Why are you here? Eh?
I came to see you. You're my boyfriend. I came to see you. And I miss you. That's why I'm here.
Ifeoma, you can't miss me. Yes, everybody is living in fear. Everybody now is living in fear. If you don't love yourself, I love myself. And I love you too. That is why I want you to stay at home. They said stay at home so that you'll be saved.
But I don't have it now. I'm not infected. I'm not infected, baby. I'm not infected. I'm pure.
Did you trek to this place? Did you trek to this place? Answer me.
No.
You entered public transport, isn't it? And I am so sure that you are not the only person in that very bus.
But I did not touch them.
You did not touch them. That is what every other person will say. I did not touch them. Maybe they touched you. Or maybe peradventure or incidentally, you touched where the same person touched. Can't you see? That is the more reason why you should stay at home. Ifeoma, you need to leave. Yes! You need to leave for your own safety and my own safety. I don't want to lose you, neither I want to lose myself. Okay? Please go home and stay safe.
Baby, I should go just like that. Eh?
Before, Uncle, you want to stay just like that. See, go for your own safety and my own safety too. I can't even touch you. You can't come close to me. They said social distance. You can't touch me.
God! Do you know the risks I took? Do you know the risks I took coming to see you?
Take the same risk back home for your own safety.
Really?
Yes.
Hannah, give me transport. What is home?
I've been indoors for 14 days. Where do you expect me to get money?
Inside now. Go and scavenge, please.
As ATM machine, isn't it? I look like Central Bank. I packed money inside here. Since 14 days, I have never stepped my foot out of that gate. I've been indoors. I've been managing myself. Go home and also manage yourself. See, the earlier the better for us. They said stay at home for your own good. They extended it to 7 days. Let us try and manage and stay till that 7 days. We will not die. Come on, can't you see? Come on, get dupe nyumwai. Rahu niru. O kama ma happy dupe dupe. Aga kome kote na nwa atoro chuku. Ma arabu onwem na mmiri nwa atoro. No. Go home and stay safe.
Oh yeah, baby, do transfer now. You have your phone there. Transfer now. Transfer. Eh?
If I can transfer you from here back to your house, I will do it. But you see this place, there's no money to transfer. I dey read. Nyam unish. I see the red so. Now so my bank account dey red. So please, if you know where you came from, go back and stay inside for your own good. Stay safe.
You too, stay safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.